Welcome. Let's explore the Interface Segregation Principle, one of the solid principles. The key idea: never force a client to depend on methods it doesn't use. Prefer many small, focused interfaces. Imagine a single machine interface that bundles every capability: print, scan, and fax. SimplePrinter can only print, yet it's forced to implement all three. The unused scan and fax methods just throw unsupported operation exception. This is the problem. A fat interface forces a class to implement methods it doesn't need. The naive approach keeps one big interface. Classes that lack a capability just leave methods empty or throw exceptions. Adding staple forces us to reopen every implementer, including SimplePrinter. So clients depend on methods they never call, changes ripple everywhere, and the type lies about what it can do. Here's the solution: the Interface Segregation Principle. Split the fat machine interface into small roles. Printer only prints. Scanner only scans. Fax only faxes. Many small, specific interfaces beat one general-purpose interface. SimplePrinter implements only printer with no unsupported methods. Multifunction printer implements printer, scanner, and fax. Each class now depends solely on the capabilities it actually uses. Here is the class diagram for the segregated design. 3 small interfaces: printer, scanner, and fax. SimplePrinter implements only printer, while multifunction printer implements all three. The implementation arrows show each class depends only on the interfaces it truly needs. That's the Interface Segregation Principle. Notice the difference. Before, SimplePrinter implements machine, so it's forced to write scan and fax that throw unsupported operation exception, methods it can never use. After, SimplePrinter implements only printer. Just the print method, exactly what it needs. The code becomes clean, honest, and never fakes capabilities it doesn't have. The takeaway: no client should depend on methods it never uses. Smaller interfaces mean no empty methods, looser coupling, fewer ripples. The trade-off: more interfaces. Fat interface becomes role interfaces, focus clients.